Good AM. Today is December 5, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for December 5, 2023 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of December 5, 2023 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.